In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and play Liar's Maze on your phone. So Liar's Maze is actually a story type of game in which you will be able to read out the dialogues of characters and tap on your screen to get new dialogues. In the same way, you can complete whole the game and its story. So first of all, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open Play Store on your phone. After that, you're going to tap on the search box at the very top of your screen and then just type in here for Liar's Maze and search for it. After that, you will be able to see here your game on the front screen. So you're going to tap on that and then you're going to tap on install. And once it's done, you can just tap on play. Then you're just going to wait until your game assets have been downloaded. Once they're done, you will get an option to select your language. I'm going to go with English right now. After that, you will be redirected to the home page of this game. As you can see here on the left side of your screen, you go all of the options. To play the game, you're going to go with the first option, which is start. After that, the story is going to begin. You can read out the dialogues of your screen one by one and then touch on your screen. Once you touch on your screen, you will be able to see here next dialogues. In the same way, you can play all this game.